Hey guys, thank you so much for grabbing the All the Cool Kids craft pack. We are going to be doing the DTF transfers, and I'm so excited to show these to you because they are really cool. So let's go ahead and grab our DTF transfers. They will come to you rolled up. So we're just gonna take those apart. And as you can see, there are so many different options. We love how many options that come here. There's even extras. Like, we're gonna use some of these on these shirts, but there are even extras that we're going to use as well. So let's go ahead and get these cut out. First thing I want to do is I want to go ahead and cut off the top piece. Anything above this dotted line here, we need to go ahead and cut off. And we have even seen some of you guys save these fun little tags here and make your own little shirts or custom items, which is really fun to see. So if you make those, make sure you post them in our group to see. So let's go ahead and cut out each of these designs. I know that I'm going to be using these three here for my t-shirts. And then we have a really cool zipper pouch design that is really going to stand out. And these also come with some pocket designs. So I'm gonna grab those couple of pocket designs as well as our zipper pouch design. And then these are extras, and we're going to store them away for other projects. Here is our zipper pouch and our pocket designs. All right, we have our heat press set to 310 degrees, and we are going to start with, let's start with our A, B, C, D shirt. Now, one thing I almost forgot, we need to cut off this little stripe here. That is just to help the printers and the print heads and all of that type of stuff. So we are going to put this one on our Athletic Heather t-shirt, and we're gonna give it a quick pre-press just for a few seconds. Forgot to check my pressure. Make sure you check your pressure. Okay, so now our heat press has smoothed out any wrinkles, it has removed any additional moisture, and now we need to place our design. So this one is just going to be a front design, and we're going to put it about 3 inches from the bottom of the collar. And once you have it placed where you want it, you can press, and you don't need a cover sheet for this part. And we're gonna go ahead and peel this hot, guys. And there we go. So we're gonna press it again. So you can use anything like a piece of butcher paper or parchment paper. If all you have is a heat resistant sheet, then you can use that. We're gonna place that over our design and give it another 10-second press. Here we are, how cute. All right, so let's get to the next one, and let's do this Cool Kids design. I think it is so fun. It's very like retro, but I love the colors that are included. So we're gonna put this one on our black t-shirt that comes in the craft pack. And again, we're gonna give it just a quick little pre-press. Okay, and now this one, I want to put the pocket logo on. So you want your pocket logo to go about 3 inches from the bottom of the collar and then 3 inches over. And that point is where you want the middle of the design to go. Okay. We have our 10-second press for that. We're gonna peel this hot. We're gonna add that heat resistant sheet or parchment paper, whatever you have. All right, now that we have the pocket done, we're gonna do the back. Now, one way I really like to kind of judge where I'm going to put the back design, I like to lay my shirt on my heat press, and I am going to feel around for this front collar, and I'm going to make sure that this front collar is barely off of my heat press, and then I'm going to place my design at the top of the pressing area, and that should be a really good way to get a really good placement. Back of shirts can be really hard sometimes. And we're gonna press. Peeling it hot. And we're gonna go one more time, and then we're gonna be done with this shirt. Look how fun, guys. All right, so we have our pocket, our back, and we're ready for class, guys. Let's go, okay. We have one more shirt from the pack. We have this white t-shirt. We're gonna do our pre-press. And this one also has a pocket design that I want to use. Too cool for school. Again, we're gonna do 3 inches from the bottom of the collar, 3 inches over. That's where we're gonna place the middle of the design. Peel it hot, add our heat resistant sheet. We have our little pocket area, and we're gonna do the back. So same thing, we are going to lay the shirt where the bottom of the front collar is going to barely hang off of the pressing area. So you're just gonna feel around for it. We're going to add our design. Make sure you don't go too far off, since you want it as close to the edge as possible without going off. Okay, I think that looks good. Oh, this looks so cool, guys. All right, we are adding the heat resistant sheet for the final press, and all of our t-shirts are gonna be ready. There we go. All right, pocket, full back, and we are absolutely ready for the school year. All right, so the next project that we have for you guys is this really cool little zipper pouch. You can use this for all kinds of things. So one thing you want to keep in mind when doing these is that this zipper part is going to have to be out of the pressing area. So the easiest way to do that is to simply have that zipper hanging off of the side of your heat press. You can use a pressing pillow or a washcloth or something if you need to, but we're just gonna let it hang off of the edge. It lays pretty flat. We're going to just add our design there, and we're gonna press 310 degrees for 10 seconds. So for this project, I am going to let it cool down. So the canvas, sometimes when it is a tighter woven material, the best option is to do it with a cold peel. So I'm gonna let it cool down. We're just gonna roll it on the table, find some cool spots. Okay, so that should have bonded very nicely now. So we're just going to remove that carrier. We have our little zipper pouch, so let's give it one more quick press. Going to use our heat resistant sheet. And here we are. All right, guys, we are ready for the new school year. We have our zipper pouch. We have 3 different shirts, and we're even going to show you an additional way that you can customize your shirt. So if you want to learn how to further customize your items with the Caesar Easy Weed that came in your craft pack, then make sure you check out the next video in the description below. And as always, if you have any questions at all, please reach out to our amazing customer service team. And I hope you guys had a great time crafting with me.